Greetings everyone, how are you doing today? So we're gonna start again with the same market, with the same platform, with the same broker. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to talk about the most powerful concept in technical analysis for buying option. Support and resistance role reversal. Also known as RSI flip. This concept can dramatically improve your entries, reduce anxious, and help you trade with more confirmation instead of emotion. Alright, so let's try to break it down step by step. Broken zone is not invalidated. One of the biggest mistakes trader makers think. If support is broken, it's usually now, or if resistance is broken, it doesn't matter anymore. There's no truth. When a strong support resistance level is broken, it doesn't become irrelevant. Right? In many cases, it's become even more important. Why? Because the market, remember about that, guys, the key zones. All right. If the price breaks above the strong resistance, that level often becomes new support. If the price breaks below a strong support, that level often becomes new resistance. So remember this: a broken zone is not invalidated; it changes role. Alright, so that's called the RSI flip. SR flip. Okay. We have to retracing confirmation. When made trades goes wrong, they see the breakout and immediately enter the trades. But breakouts alone can be risks. Many breakouts are fake. The smarter approach is to wait for the retest. That's the reason I always repeat during this live session. Even if you just following the MACD, crossing the line with that, with a breakout, sometimes that's fake. You need to validate with that, change the time frame. For example, price breaks above the resistance. Instead of entering immediately, you wait. Price pull back to that same level. The rolled resistance now acts as support. Price reacts in rejected zone. Get a correction, the retest is confirmation. It showed the marks accept the new level. The same logic applies in the reverse. Support is broken, price pull back. Okay, the old support now acts as resistance. You need to pay attention on this. Price rejecting continues down. The retest gives your structure, logic, and confirmation in binary option. Confirmation increases probability. Alright. And with that, we have the safe entry. When you enter on retest instead of breakouts, your entry becomes more controlled and strategy. Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations. 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join. Alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. Why that's safe? That's safer. Because, for example, you are trading after confirmation. You are trading a key level or not changing price. And you are not entering emotionally. You're just getting a good analysis. So instead of buying after a big bullish candle, you wait for the price to come back to structure. This gives you better time and often better expiration alignment. You are no longer reaction, you are executing with the point. And that's make a huge difference in consistency. Alright, and with that we have less anxious, more patient. That's another big event of trading when it, together with the RSI flip, we're retracing in psychologic. When traded chase breakouts, they feel pressure. What is if I miss the move? Oh my gosh, it's going without me. This creates anxiety. But when you understand the breakouts, often retrace before continue will become calmer. You know there may be a second chance. You wait the price to come back to your level. You let the market come back to you. You need to wait for that for the next candle, for the next 5-10 minutes reduce impulsive entries and overtrade. Don't let the greed talk louder. I always repeat that during the live session. Less ancient means clear decision, and clear decision will lead to the better results. Okay, so when support resistance is broken, it's not invalid, it's often change roles. Wait for the retest for confirmation. Entry after confirmation is safe and then change breakouts. This approach reduces and improve discipline. Hey, wait a minute. How about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it. And the RSI flip, it's simple, guys. It's not a hard thing for that, but it's extremely powerful. If you master this conception combined with the proper time and risk management, your trading quality can improve significantly. Alright, so that's it, guys, for this video, for all this one. If you want to give your opinion, write your opinion in the comments. Hit the like button for this one. Subscribe to the channel, please. Don't forget about that. And don't forget about the live sessions. I always try to talk about this concept. I always try to repeat that during this live session. So I want to see everyone here. Okay. So that's it, guys. Thanks so much. Have a good one. I wish you good profit, good operations, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.